In this training session, we will discuss the proper way to create a new company and begin using the accounting software. First, let's talk about how your accounting software and your company financial information are stored on the computer. The program is usually stored on your own computer in a folder like this one. In this lesson, we'll refer to these as your program files. The financial information for your company is contained in a group of files that all reside in the same folder on the hard disk drive. In this lesson, we'll refer to these as your data files. This folder can be on your own computer or on a separate computer called a file server. You can store more than one company's data files for access by your accounting program. Each company's set of data files will reside in a separate folder. To create a new company, we must create a new folder and place a new set of data files inside of it. The software can automate the step of creating the folder, or you can create one using Windows Explorer. For our demonstration, we won't create the new folder using Explorer. Instead, we will let the software automatically create the folder in a minute or so. Let's start the program and create a new company with data files in a folder located on the hard disk drive of our own computer. First, we run the software from the desktop icon. When the login screen comes into view, we click on this Browse button. Here is a list of folders where company data files have already been created. We'll create our new company by clicking the Add a Company button. Now we provide a company ID. This is a short abbreviation that will be used to designate our company. Next, we enter the company name as we wish for it to appear on our reports and forms. Finally, we enter the name of the folder where our data files will be stored. If the folder has already been created, we can use this button to find the folder and select it. Otherwise, we can type the name of the folder we wish to be created to hold the data. When we click the OK button, the system will look for the folder we specified. If it doesn't exist, this message will appear asking for our confirmation before creating the folder. Now that we've told the system where to look for our company data, we click the Select button and return to the login screen. Now we click OK, and the program looks into the folder we specified. Since it is an empty folder, the system asks us if we want to create a new set of company data files in the folder. When we tell it to create a company, the program then displays a list of choices. The first choice is to auto-create a new company. This option will create a company that already has a chart of accounts with a fully functional financial statement. This is the best option. The other choices include Manual Create and Duplicate Existing Company. Manual Create will open a brand new company with absolutely nothing set up to start with. Duplicate Existing Company will create a company based on data already stored for an existing company. As an example, if you want to create a company that shares the same vendors as an existing company, you could use this option. We're going to create our company using the Auto Create function. When we say OK, the program creates our new data files in our new folder. We can now log into our new company by clicking OK. The system will ask for a username and a password. A startup user has been created. You can select this user as is, or you can edit the user to reflect your own identity. To change the attributes of this user, click the Change button. If the program asks for a system password, try the word System. This is the default password when the program is shipped. You can change this password later for security purposes. Now enter your initials and your full name and optionally an email address and a login password. Now we can finish logging in to our new company. Now that we have successfully created a new company, we can begin entering accounting information using the New Company Startup Wizard. For more information on this process, review the training session on using the New Company Startup Wizard. This ends this training session on creating a new company.